Assalamualaikum. Here I, Selena, will present a scientific work with the title Micro, Small, and Medium Business Development Strategy Increasing Cell Turnover. Abstract STEM through their role are able to expand the provision of employment, become a sort of sustainable economic growth, and level the increase in income in running its business. UK and Terang Bulan AQZI is still experiencing previous problems. So, the proof of this research is how effective marketing strategies in order to increase sales turnover. The research method used qualitative approach in the home industry named AQZI in the Sukun area of Malang. That reticle was conducted by interviewing informants as many as 3 people. The tool used is SWOT analysis on AQZI breadth SMES. Preliminary, small and medium enterprises (SMEs) as one of the elements of economic growth that occupies a strategic position to accelerate structural change in order to improve the standard of living of the people. SMEs through their role are able to expand the provision of employment, become a sort of sustainable economic growth, and level the increase in income. Next, method. This research used qualitative approach wherein the study emphasizes more on meaning and process than the result of an activity. So in qualitative research is not only present the data as is but also tries to intercorrection and existing factor that affects including the point of view or ongoing process. Next, result and discussion of the history of SMS establishment. Using overall narrative accused I just good and tasty bread ingredient. Bread is main food based of when flour and water. Fermented with yes, but some do not use yes. Bread is crab that can be swept through step because his business includes revival. Finally, Mbanur parented the name of the product into roti accused I. Bread is demanded by many customers because of its soft texture, and bread is still very warm and new. This is because Mbanur does not have its own outlet to make dough and where in order so it do accumulated bread stock, and bread is always new. Production. Product is something that can be offered to the market to be noticed, used, owned, or consumed so as to satisfy wishes or needs customer. The product offered by UKM Eroti is hidden terang bulan at an affordable price and maintained product quality. The quality of raw material can be seen from the selection of goods and testing material and set by modern business owners. Price. The role of price cannot be separated from the buying and selling process of a product or service. Price helps customers to determine whether someone will buy an item or not. A company determines the value to profit from the product sold by the company. To determine the price of a product or service, there are several basics to consider. Distribution place. In economic activity, distribution is an activity that in between to the hand of customer. Goods that have been produced by manufacturer in order to get into the hand of customer require the existence of an institution called useful in reality now. Always the good products manufactured to get customer must pass through distributor. However, in modern economy, distribution activities play an important role. Capital. Capital is a set money or good used as the basis for carrying out a work. In English, capital is called capital, which is a goods produced by nature of human to help produce other goods that are needed by human with the aim of gaining profit. Consumers today need many workers to continuously improve product marketing so that products can be marketed more widely and more easily than they already are today. One of these innovations is to use marketing technology that is able to cross state borders easily, namely information and communication technology based on the rules of the analysis and analytic marketing strategy on UKM Roti IQZI. It would include the marketing strategy is more expanded so that this bread product is known to the public and maintain its quality and price remain affordable so the customer do not to order bakery bread product. Instead, the marketing strategy for product manufacturers are able to understand the product price, promotion, and distribution channel known as fortifying and positioning the marketing process that will do see product excellence and fantastic in the manufacturing process up to the determination of marketing strategies where manufacturers are able to see gaps and mindset points in seeing the right opportunities and marketing system for the product they have.